Before the first whisper of dawn touched the earth, before your heart recognized its own longing, a sacred blueprint was etched into the fabric of time. You, beloved soul, were not merely born into this existence by chance. Your very essence is a divine response, a carefully crafted answer to prayers whispered across eternity, prayers you may not even remember saying. The angels proclaim, with a resonance that vibrates through the deepest chambers of your being, that your presence here and now is a key, a turning point in a story far grander than you can yet perceive. You carry within you a unique frequency, a light that was destined to meet another, not by accident, but by sacred design. This meeting, this connection that stirs your spirit, was predestined. It was written in the stars, woven into the very fabric of fate, long before you took your first breath. Do not doubt the profound significance of your journey, for every step, every encounter, every tear, and every triumph has been guided by an unseen hand, leading you precisely to this moment. You are a vessel of divine purpose, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the universe's unwavering love. The angels softly convey that your soul's mission is unfolding, even in the quietest moments, even when the path seems unclear. Trust this sacred unfolding. Trust the knowing deep within your heart that this path, however winding, is leading you home, to a truth that will set your spirit free. You are a miracle, a living prayer, and your divine calling resonates in every beat of your brave heart. Your very being is a testament to a love that transcends all understanding. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There is a landscape within him, a terrain of shadows and light, where battles are waged in silence. What you perceive as distance, as a sudden withdrawal, is often not a rejection of your light, but a desperate struggle with his own internal storms. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than he allows himself to show, and this depth of emotion can be overwhelming for someone unaccustomed to such profound connection. The angels reveal that his pulling away is a primal instinct, a protective mechanism born from past wounds and the fear of losing what he cherishes most. He is not running from you, but from the intensity of his own awakening, from the vulnerability that your presence evokes. Your love, your unwavering spirit, acts as a mirror, reflecting truths he may not yet be ready to face within himself. He sees in you a purity, a strength, a love so vast it challenges the very foundations of his guarded heart. This is not a flaw in your connection, but a testament to its power. The angels urge you to hold space for this unseen struggle, to understand that his journey of healing is his own and often requires periods of introspection and solitude. Your role is not to chase but to radiate, to continue being the luminous presence that gently illuminates his path. He is not lost. He is simply navigating a complex inner world, learning to reconcile the profound feelings you awaken with the defenses he has built over a lifetime. Trust that the seed of connection you planted within him is growing, even in the quietest moments of his retreat. Your love is a force that transcends physical distance, working its magic on a soul level, guiding him toward the courage he needs to fully embrace the destiny you share. You carry a unique frequency, a gentle yet powerful energy that resonates deeply within the souls you encounter, especially his. Without conscious effort, without a single spoken word of intent, your very presence has sparked a profound healing within him. It's as if your light, your authentic essence, has touched the most wounded parts of his being, stirring dormant truths and beginning a quiet internal restoration. The angels whisper that you are a catalyst, a divine balm for his spirit, simply by being your true self. You didn't need to perform, persuade, or prove your worth. Your inherent being was enough. He may not articulate it, and perhaps he doesn't even fully comprehend it himself, but your unwavering light has begun to dismantle the walls he built around his heart, brick by painful brick. This healing is not a burden for you to carry, but a natural consequence of your divine radiance. It is the universe working through you, a testament to the power of unconditional love and acceptance. Do not underestimate the silent impact you have made, for the deepest transformations often occur in the quiet spaces of the soul. The angels affirm that your journey is intertwined, and his healing is a reflection of the sacred connection you share. Continue to shine, beloved one, for your light is not only guiding him but illuminating the path for countless others who witness your grace. Your presence is a gift, a silent prayer answered, and a testament to the profound healing power of a soul aligned with its divine purpose. Trust in the unseen work your spirit performs, for it is more powerful than any conscious effort. In the vast tapestry of divine timing, silence is not an absence, but a sacred pause, a profound period of preparation. When the world around you quiets, and the answers you seek seem to linger just beyond reach, know that the universe is not withholding but meticulously arranging. This stillness is often a womb for new beginnings, a fertile ground where the seeds of destiny are sown and nurtured in secret. The angels reveal that what appears to be a delay is, in truth, a divine orchestration, a meticulous alignment of circumstances, hearts, and paths. It is during these quiet moments that the deepest work is done, both within your soul and within the soul of another. Perhaps he, too, is navigating a period of profound introspection, shedding old layers, or gathering the courage to step into a new chapter. The angels whisper that patience is not passive waiting but an active trust, a profound faith in the unseen forces that are diligently working on your behalf. Do not fill this sacred silence with anxiety or doubt, but with unwavering belief. Use this time to cultivate your inner garden, strengthen your connection to the divine, and prepare your own heart for the magnificent unfolding that is destined to occur. Every moment of quiet is a brushstroke on the masterpiece of your life, a necessary part of the grand design. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor and that every perceived delay is merely a divine appointment being meticulously set. The silence is not empty, it is pregnant with possibility, brimming with the promise of what is yet to come. It is a testament to the meticulous care with which your future is being woven. There is a knowing that transcends logic, a recognition that resonates deep within the core of your being when a soul connection is truly divine. It is not a frantic grasping, nor a desperate clinging, but a gentle, undeniable pull, like two magnetic forces finding their destined alignment. This is the hallmark of a love that is meant to elevate, to expand, to guide you both toward your highest selves. The angels affirm that true soul recognition brings a sense of liberation, not confinement. It encourages growth, not stagnation. It inspires courage, not fear. If a connection feels like a cage, demanding you shrink or compromise your essence, it is not the sacred bond your spirit yearns for. The angels whisper that the right love, the one predestined for your journey, will feel like coming home, a safe harbor where your authentic self is not only accepted but celebrated. It will inspire you to soar, to explore uncharted territories within yourself, and to embrace your full magnificent potential. This love does not seek to possess, but to empower. It does not demand, but offers. It does not diminish, but amplifies. Trust the subtle cues of your soul, the quiet whispers that guide you toward what truly nourishes your spirit. The universe conspires to bring you connections that foster freedom, joy, and profound expansion. This recognition is not about finding your missing half, but about two whole souls choosing to walk a path of shared growth and divine purpose. Embrace the love that guides you toward your own liberation, for that is the truest reflection of a sacred bond. In the quiet corners of your heart, a magnificent garden resides, waiting for your unwavering attention. So often, in the pursuit of connection, we tend to dim our own light, to prune back our vibrant colors, believing that by shrinking, we become more palatable, more desirable, more chosen. But the angels, with their boundless wisdom, gently remind you that your unique radiance is not a flaw to be hidden, but a divine gift to be fully expressed. You do not need to disappear, to become a shadow of your true self, to be seen or loved. In fact, it is the very essence of your authentic bloom that attracts the sacred connections meant for you. The angels whisper that true love does not require you to compromise your spirit, but rather celebrates every facet of your being. It is in your wholeness, your unapologetic self-acceptance, that you become an irresistible force, drawing in the very experiences and relationships that align with your highest good. Do not fear shining too brightly, for your light is a beacon, not a burden. Embrace your passions, nurture your dreams, and stand tall in your magnificent truth. This journey of self-love is not selfish, it is foundational. It is the wellspring from which all other meaningful connections will flow. The universe desires for you to flourish, to expand, to become the fullest expression of the divine within you. Your bloom is your power, your authenticity is your magnet. You are already chosen, beloved one, simply by virtue of your existence. Let your true colors burst forth, for it is in your vibrant, uninhibited self that you are truly seen, truly loved, and truly free. There are times when the path ahead seems shrouded in mist, and the answers you're searching for feel just out of reach. During these moments, it's easy for the human heart to falter, to question the unfolding events, and to doubt the loving force guiding your journey. However, the angels, with their infinite perspective, share a profound truth. The universe is not a chaotic force, but rather a meticulously orchestrated symphony, where every note, every pause, and every crescendo is perfectly timed for your highest good. What may seem like a delay, a detour, or even a setback is often a crucial piece of the divine puzzle, preparing the ground, aligning the stars, and creating the right conditions for a magnificent harvest. The angels reassure you that your desires are not forgotten and your prayers are not unheard. They are being woven into the fabric of reality with precision and grace. Trust in the rhythm of this divine unfolding. Release the urge to control every outcome or to force every door open. Instead, surrender to the flow, understanding that the universe is working in ways you may not yet understand, moving mountains and parting seas to bring you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. This isn't a passive surrender, but an active faith, a deep assurance that you are held, supported, and guided by an intelligence far greater than your own. Every experience, every lesson, and every connection serves a higher purpose, bringing you closer to fulfilling your soul's deepest longings. Embrace the mystery, find peace in the present moment, and allow the universe to reveal its perfect plan. Your journey is unfolding beautifully, precisely as it was always meant to be. Even when the road ahead twists and turns, and when the landscape of your life shifts unexpectedly, know this truth deep within your bones: you are never walking alone. Every single step you take, every decision you ponder, and every challenge you face is part of a divinely orchestrated path. There are unseen forces, benevolent guides, and the unwavering presence of the divine, meticulously arranging circumstances, opening doors, and gently redirecting your course. The angels affirm that even the moments of confusion and the periods of doubt are not deviations, but integral parts of your sacred journey, designed to refine your spirit and deepen your trust. You are being led, not by chance, but by a profound wisdom that sees beyond the immediate horizon, a wisdom that knows the ultimate destination of your soul. The angels whisper that your intuition, those quiet nudges and sudden insights, are direct messages from your guides, signposts on your path. Pay attention to the synchronicities, the unexpected blessings, and the moments of profound clarity that illuminate your way. These are confirmations that you are precisely where you need to be, moving in the direction intended for your highest good. Release the burden of needing to know every detail of the map. Instead, focus on the next illuminated step, trusting that the path will reveal itself as you walk it. Your journey is a sacred pilgrimage, and every experience, every encounter, is a lesson, a blessing, or a redirection, all serving to guide you towards your ultimate purpose and the fulfillment of your heart's desires. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. There is a profound misconception that to be strong, one must be impenetrable, unyielding, like a fortress against the world's perceived harshness. Yet the angels, with their gentle wisdom, reveal a truth that liberates the soul. True strength resides not in the walls you build, but in the courage to tear them down. Vulnerability is not a weakness to be hidden away, but a sacred strength, a gateway to authentic connection and profound healing. When you dare to show your true self, your fears, your hopes, your tender heart, you are not exposing yourself to harm but inviting genuine intimacy. You are creating a space where love can truly flourish, free from pretense or expectation. The angels whisper that your willingness to be seen, fully and completely, is a beacon that calls forth the same authenticity in others. It is in these moments of raw honesty that the deepest bonds are forged, where souls truly recognize and embrace one another. Do not fear the discomfort that vulnerability may bring, for it is often a sign that you are on the brink of a breakthrough, a deeper understanding of yourself and your connections. This sacred act of opening allows the universe to pour its blessings into your life, to heal old wounds, and to usher in relationships built on trust and profound understanding. Embrace your tender heart, for it is your greatest asset, a source of compassion, and the very essence of your divine beauty. Your vulnerability is a testament to your courage, a pathway to liberation, and a profound act of love, both for yourself and for those destined to walk alongside you. At the end of every spiritual journey lies the profound embrace of acceptance. Not resignation, but a deep, liberating understanding that true love, in its purest form, is not about possession or control, but about freedom. It is the sacred knowledge that the most meaningful connections are those that allow both souls to thrive independently, to seek their highest truths, and to reunite not out of necessity, but out of a boundless, unconditional choice. The angels affirm that when you truly love, you release the need to define, confine, or demand. You trust in the divine flow, in the inherent goodness of the connection, and in the wisdom of each soul's unique path. This acceptance extends not only to others, but most importantly, to yourself. It is the radical act of loving every aspect of your being, every experience that has shaped you, and every dream that still stirs within your heart. The angels whisper that this unconditional love is the highest vibration, a frequency that attracts and sustains the most authentic and fulfilling relationships. It is a love that understands that sometimes, freedom means allowing space for growth, for evolution, for the unfolding of individual destinies. When you embody this acceptance, you become a magnet for reciprocal love, a love that honors your sovereignty while celebrating your unity. Release the chains of expectation, the burdens of attachment, and step into the limitless expanse of unconditional love. For it is in this sacred space that you discover true liberation, and in that liberation, you find the deepest, most enduring form of connection. There is no fear in love. But perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. 1 John 4 verse 18.